If you have ever gone into a gas station, you will notice that there are hundreds of different products that you can purchase from a soft drink perspective. The crazy part about that, though, is that with all of these different formulations, or the original formulations that were created, how is it now that they all have very similar sugar content? I'll tell you why. That's because they have very smart researchers that figure out the exact perfect amount of sugar that allows you to drink it all day without getting sick of the taste and without feeling sick. However, it's in their best interest to create something that you don't realize is unhealthy for you, so you just continue to drink more and more. What that sugar is leading to is poor health. And you can see it every day. All you got to do is walk around and you see people that are, struggling with their health, they're struggling with their weight, and they're not sure exactly how to address those issues.